Manuel Aso. This is the last IG video of a series where we talk about words like us, we, them, and you all. Basically just different types of multiple and dual pronouns. This video is about referring to one person with singular Samoan pronouns of I, you, he, and she. Let's get right to it. I or me is said oa'u. I am Viliamu, or oa'u o Viliamu. It also can mean me. For example, your mom could say, "Oh, what a nice surprise. Who cleaned the house?" And then you reply, oa'u. What about this sentence? Ole'a wa'u le falemeli. I'm going to the post office. Notice that I said that the term for I or me is oa'u, but in this sentence I just said a'u instead of oa'u. A lot of times when the a'u attaches to another phrase, you'll notice that people omit the o and just say a'u. But when a'u leads a sentence, or if it has to stand by itself, then you put the o in front of it to make oa'u. Oa'u is a complete noun phrase. So in order for that a'u to stand by itself and be complete, you have to have oa'u. There's an entire lesson on that on the Mako app. The important thing to remember, especially with these short IG videos, is just to learn the terms. How to use the terms and when, all that's going to be discussed on the Mako app, where you can learn with hundreds and probably even thousands of people at the same time. So what about you? As in, oa'u e alofa yake oe. We all heard that, right? I love you. Well, the you in that sentence is oe, or na'o oe, only you. Ole'a ofasiliaku yake oe. I will ask you. And then finally, oia, or he, she. Who turned the TV off? Oia. Na ova ai oia ina o savali de timu. I saw her walking in the rain. With oia, you have to listen to the context of the sentence to know if it's a he or she being discussed, because there's not a distinction between the two. Again, I know I kind of threw these sentences out there real fast, but since this is a short IG video, just make sure that you know the definitions. Oa'u is I or me, oe is you, and oia is he or she. So you might be thinking after this, okay, I'm ready to use the pronouns, but I have to make another series because there's also a different way to say the pronouns you've learned depending on the sentence structure that you use. Don't be discouraged though, because a lot of them are very similar to the ones that you've already learned. Put this into your spirit for now. Oa'u, oe, and oia. Oa'u, I, me, oe, you, and oia. Paftai te lava mo le ava noa, manu e te asu.